Yeah, I know you probably have been looking for cryptocurrency asset that you want to invest in on a long-term basis and get massive return. And I'm very sure you must have had one of your friends or your people on the internet saying that they invest in a particular asset over a long period of time and they made 100% profit, or let me say ROI, 200% ROI, 1000% ROI on a particular asset. And I'm very sure that you must have heard that Bitcoin has done over 10,000% ROI since Bitcoin came into existence, and you know that is a lot of profit that you can never get from any other investment. So for this, you would want to know what things you need to do to understand how you can find a crypto asset and then give you this kind of return. And that is where fundamental analysis comes in, and that is the importance of fundamental analysis. So in this video, I'm going to give you explanation of what fundamental analysis is, how to do fundamental analysis, what are the merits of fundamental analysis, and what are the demerits of fundamental analysis. So if you are a returning viewer, hit the like button and click on the notification button so that you get to see my content immediately and post them. And if you are a new viewer, consider hitting the subscribe button so that you get to see content like this. I'm sure you like content related to cryptocurrency, and that is what I post right on this channel. So let's get right into the video. So talking about fundamental analysis, I would like to start from the definition of fundamental analysis so that you get to know what fundamental analysis really means first before ever trying to know any other thing about it. So fundamental analysis is the kind of analysis that measures the intrinsic value of a cryptocurrency asset. It's an analysis that measures the intrinsic value of a cryptocurrency asset by examining related economic and financial factors. So what intrinsic value simply means is that it explains to you the value that the asset is likely going to have in the future, so that you'll be able to know whether that asset is overvalued or undervalued. For example, you want to invest in a particular land in an area. So you'd like to know, is this area industrial? And for you to know if the area is industrial, okay, what are the major roads that links this road with this city? What are the big companies that are located in this locality? You do such researches when you want to buy a land. That is the case for cryptocurrency asset, and that is what fundamental analysis is all about. And when you are doing fundamental analysis, it is generally divided into three types. You want to do what we call on-chain metric analysis or fundamental analysis. You want to do project metrics, and you want to do financial metrics. Those are the three types of fundamental analysis that we have: on-chain metrics, project metrics, and financial metrics. So if you are able to get to know the on-chain metrics of an asset, then you know the financial metric of that particular asset to know how it is doing financially, talking of things like coin, like the market cap and things like that. And you want to see the white paper by checking things related to the project metrics on the white paper. So those are the three major things that we discuss in fundamental analysis, and I'm going to make separate videos for each of these three segments. But before we get to that video, let's talk more about fundamental analysis. So now let's talk about why you need to do fundamental analysis before investing. We all know that investing in an asset or whatever you are investing in, whether it is cryptocurrency, stocks, real estate, anything you want to invest in, it is never an easy thing, and you either earn or lose. So now that you know that when you want to invest, it is either you earn or lose, and you don't want to lose, you make sure you do proper research, proper analysis, proper investigation on whatever you want to invest in before ever trying to invest. That is one of the reasons why fundamental analysis is very important before investing. You don't want to lose out your money. Let's say you have tried to save a lot of money and you want to bring the money to the crypto market. You want to do proper analysis so that the money you have taken your time, hard work, discipline to save don't get lost. You understand? That is why you need fundamental analysis. So with fundamental analysis, you can invest your money with confidence, because you have made sound decision with whatever research you have made. You understand? So, and apart from that, you can also determine the company's value by doing the process. Every crypto asset has a company behind it. They have a team behind the crypto asset. So you must have made enough research about the value of the company, what they are doing, the efficiency of the team behind it, so that you'll be able to know what the asset worth in the real sense. And also, fundamental analysis can also help you to determine the cryptocurrencies management and to know if they are performing in terms of making internal decisions with the company. When you do project metrics, you are definitely going to know how the management of the core of that particular company that has that asset is doing to improve it. You see that through the white paper and some other things. You see the blueprint. You see how they want to execute their plans. So those are the things you need to know whenever you want to do fundamental analysis. So another importance of fundamental analysis, another reason why you need to know to do fundamental analysis is that it helps you to know how the company performs against its competitors. And you know this, in the crypto market, there are competitions. Even in real estate, in the stock market, every company competes with another company that does the same thing. And in crypto market, we have a lot of crypto assets that do almost the same thing. They render almost the same service, and they have almost the same use case. So you have to do your analysis to compare what the team behind the coins are doing better than their competitors. So that is very important. So also fundamental analysis also helps you to know the importance of having an idea in the crypto market, because it will get to a stage when you may want to do your own, you want to have your own crypto assets, and from making research about what others have done, it will definitely help you to do something reasonable with whatever you also want to do. So now let's talk about the advantage of fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis simply helps you to understand the project deeply, make judgments about it, and evaluate it so that you make important decisions about your life. Because at the end, it is your life, it is your money that you are investing, it is your money that you don't want to lose. So it helps you make decisions about your life, even though you are making research about other people's life, other people's works, other people's projects, but you want to invest your money, and your money is what you care about, not really the team behind the project or the community or anything like that. So your money is actually what you care about. So fundamental analysis helps you secure your money, helps you know what you can do to manage your money. So let me talk about disadvantages of fundamental analysis. But before I talk about that, if you are finding this video interesting, if you are getting value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so that you get to see my content immediately I post them. The only disadvantage that fundamental analysis has is that it does not work always, especially in isolation, because you may want to be an investor, you may still need a little bit of technical analysis to make accurate investing decision. And if you are a trader, you need more of technicals, psychology, risk management than you need fundamental analysis. This does not mean that you don't need fundamentals at all, but fundamentals is not the only thing you need, whether you are trading or you are investing. So that is just the disadvantage, but in the real sense, it's not really a disadvantage. Fundamental analysis is just a tool that works hand in hand with other tools to help you make accurate decisions in your trading and investing decision. So that is basically what fundamental analysis is all about. So stay tuned to this channel, because in the next 3 videos I'll be talking about the classes of fundamental analysis, I'll talk about the on-chain metrics, I'll talk about the project metrics, and I'll talk about the financial metrics of fundamental analysis and how you can use them to make accurate trading and investing decisions in your trading career. See you in the next